Hi, so in this tutorial, I'm going to build a custom landing page using Elementor on a WordPress self-hosted theme to make it look like a Linktree page. So here I'm logged into my website, and you're going to want to navigate to Pages and Add New. I'm going to title this page, Welcome TikTok Friends, and then we're going to click the Edit with Elementor button, which will open up that plugin. So from this view, you can see the top of my website, my logo, and then the title of the page that I just created. And then you see that it says drag widget here. And on the left is the Elementor tool. So we're going to start by dragging a heading over into the box. And I'm going to do new on the blog. And then from here, let's see, I'm going to change. I want this box full width. And I think, yeah, just stretch section. The style, let's see, background, advanced. Gradient. Okay, here we go. Here's where you can select a color for a background. Okay. I don't have any colors off the top of my head. This one says there's a gradient, so we're just going to do classic. That's fine. Let's make that a little lighter. Okay, new on the blog, it's stretched. Then I want to go back to the little app icon here, and I want to scroll down and use the posts. Okay, so by default, it's just doing six posts, 3 across, 2 down. So I only want to showcase the latest posts. So I'm going to go to one column and then one post. Okay, that doesn't look too good. So I'm going to duplicate this section. Okay, so now it's there and below. I'm going to, I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to double click on the post and delete it, and then double click on this double here and delete that. Here which is it? Okay, here, I'm just going to do this. New section, grab it by the little pencil. Nope, grab it by the column. That's all I wanted to do, is give it a little buffer. So here I'm going to delete that column. Okay, so I just made that more complicated. Delete that. Then we're going to go back to the dots here above the blue, and I want the content full width and the section stretched as well. And now that I have these 2 other columns, I'm just going to resize that. Let's see, go 25%, and then this way 25%. Okay. Then if you click on this one, we have a little more options here. I want to show the title. I don't need to show the excerpt. I can remove, there's a little X, remove the comments, remove the date. I'm the only author, that's fine. I don't really want the read more. Okay, title is fine. Okay, so then from the query section, you can include, nope, post. Okay, that's not helpful at all, my bad. Okay, so content. Here you can change the title, color, so that's just going to be black. The typography, I'm going to go to transform it all to uppercase. Style is normal. I don't need any decoration on it. Yeah, I don't like the underline. That's no fun. I think the size is fine on that. I would like it centered. Maybe that's on the front page. Title H3. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, there we go. Okay, so when you watch the image size, they had selected the medium, which was 300, and then it looked grainy, so I just bumped it up to a different size. Okay, back to style columns. Okay, their alignment. Nope, that did not change it. Should be typography. Okay, well, I'm missing. I'm missing where to center that, so that's my bad. Okay, so I'm just going to go make a new section here. I'm going to copy that one and then paste it underneath. Paste. There we go. New on the blog. And I'm going to title this section Explore More. And then I'm going to create another new section, and I'm going to do a 3-section spacing again. Then I'm going to go back up to the dots, and I want to stretch it again. And this is just to help me create some spacing. So from here, I'm going to, I believe it's a button. Let's see, yep, it's a button. Going to add a button there, click here. Okay, so next I'm going to go to edit the button, and let's say I want to share something that is very specific to my most recent Instagram post. You know, whatever the item is that you want to share. So let's see, text by my Amazon tool. Okay, you're going to paste the link in there. I'm going to align it center. I'm going to make it large. Type default. going to go to style, and we're going to do the typography. Just change some things a little. Okay. That looks okay. Let's transform it to uppercase. Let's make this a little bigger. Okay, one line. I want it on one line. That's fine. Okay, so that's the typography, and then let's go to change the background color so that it's not gray. Okay, no to the gradients. I want classic, and then text color. Is that okay? So it's a little funky. That's fine. I'm dealing with it. I wouldn't have normally done green. I just picked a color. So here I'm just going to go back out to, I guess 25 is fine. I'm just using these, the 3-column layouts because then it's a side spacing. Okay, so now that's one. So that's one link, and we can go back and edit the button and go back to typography and do some more spacing. 6. Okay, so that got the button fairly larger. Okay, so that is button number 1. So from here you can publish if you haven't, or if you have more items. So from here, I'm just going to duplicate this. So it's following it exactly. Edit and read the blog, and then you can change your URL. So that's just katiekinsley.com. And then another duplicate style, or duplicate the section, and then edit this button and let's see. Let's see, maybe you have a sponsorship for Blue Apron, so then you can go edit that and put in your unique code over here. So it just takes a little time. I'm going to go ahead and go in here. I don't like the green style. We're going to just go over, let's see, to the pinks and get some kind of tan. Okay. I guess it's a gray. I'm going to change this one up here at the top as well. Okay. Oops. What did I do? Control Z works. You saw I just moved that. I'm going to go back to the blog post up here and let's see. It's like sometimes I remember things and sometimes I forget where they are. There is a way to center that text. I've done it before. It's just which area. So maybe it's advanced. Let's go to advanced. Transform, probably not. Nope. Positioning, nope. Why am I missing this? Okay. I will just leave that alone. That's fine. So you can have as many as you keep going. I will publish this. and then have a look at the page. So with this Welcome TikTok Friends landing page, I am telling them that this is my newest blog post. And then if they keep scrolling, they have the different URLs. So I will just, so the one that I do have, so I was just creating a duplicate Instagram. I do have one for Instagram. I'm just going to copy it, but here's how it looks. I got all the buttons the same length. They all go to different areas. And then I'm on LTK, so I can insert LTK into my blog, and you can go directly shopping from my feed on my landing page. It opens up and it will take you right to the outfits that I have linked. So that's a landing page experience for the user. And then I have the featured posts at the bottom. So I put my newest post at the top, and then I have a couple other posts so that if they're, if they scroll all the way to the bottom, it gives them another option to see some more posts and stay on my website. But this section is just like a Linktree, but it's on my domain, and I'm getting traffic to my page and not sending them to a third-party outlet. So I hope this makes sense on how to build it. I mean, there's a lot more tips and tricks to learn or to do. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I can try to do another tutorial to explain, how to build anything else on Elementor. All right, thank you for your time, and I hope you learned something.